Creativity and design is fundamentally what you need to engage with consumers better. At the end of the day, consumers are coming to you with desires, with needs and wants. And in many ways, it's not just the researcher's job to figure out what those needs are, but it's also the designers, the art directors, the copywriters' jobs of how to tap into that emotional need and be able to position the company in the best position to satisfy that need. So in every aspect of interaction between company and customer, creativity and design is paramount. We look at brand as a customer experience. Not just a logo, not just a phrase, but literally everything that a consumer touches. So everything that's built into the product, we're trying to build into our cafes, which are our small footprint restaurants. We're trying to build it into our communications. We're trying to build it into our website. We're trying to build it into our customer leadership team who is interfacing with customers directly in their questions. So that every time you have a touch point or an interaction with our brand, it's constantly reinforcing similar ideas. And then from a Creative Cloud standpoint, that's when we're able to start creating all the content that we need to do regional targeted messages, to do audience-specific messages, to do sequential messaging, to maintain that consistency between all those expressions, but also have a common platform that allows us to port all that content around it. The way that Adobe is able to kind of grease the skids of the workflow is something that allows us to stay focused on the work as opposed to get caught up in the technological problems of doing the work.